This spring has kept us busy with a variety of projects, including welcoming the cows back, cutting firewood, and hosting various events with friends and family. We started this bar project about 2 years ago, and really what's taken so long is that we needed to let the oak cookies that we cut dry and the giant slabs that we had milled, we had to let those dry and acclimate here so they wouldn't warp. So it's just been a process, but we're really excited to see the finished product, and we're excited to show you the finished product. So check it out now and enjoy the video. The ranch has taught us that if anything is going to last, it has to have a strong foundation. We built this foundation out of 2x6s and anchored the whole structure to the concrete. This is where Reg's vision comes to life. He wanted to use harvested rocks and oak to create a visual element for the bar. For the cookies, we used fallen trees from a recent storm. And finally, the bar top. We used our mill to cut redwood slabs. Our buddy Mark had all the tools to help us plane them to the right thickness. After letting them sit for a few months, it was time to cut and place them. We didn't have much of a plan. We just did whatever came to us at the time, and we kept at it. And after all is said and done, we're pretty happy with the results. None of this gets done without the friends and family that gave up nights and weekends. Finishing this project was extra fulfilling since I got to spend time doing it with all of my favorite people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.